Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. Thousands of people participated in the various races organized for various charitable causes in various Salesian houses on the occasion of the liturgical celebration of Don Bosco. In fact, there are numerous Spanish Salesian presences who, throughout the month of January and part of February, hold running races encouraging educational pastoral communities to run for different causes in favor of social solidarity. The cross-popular Don Bosco of Puebla de la Calzada, celebrated on Jan 14, was one of the first to kick off with its 21st edition. The Salesians of Saria organized the Don Bosco Run on 28 Jan to support the young people of the neighborhood, while the one of the Salesians of Carmona took place on 30th of Jan. The 9th edition of the popular charity race took place in Alicante on 3rd of February in favor of the NGO Bosco Global and the FISAT Foundation. On the same day, the Salesians of Hulva organized their race around the Salesian presence. On 10th February, the Don Bosco Kindergarten and Primary School in Kimihurura in the city of Kigali celebrated the feast of Don Bosco. The event was made even more special by the celebration of the sacrament of baptism and first communion for children studying in the school and the blessing and official opening of the new school buildings. Father Celestine Muboka, Superior of the Africa Great Lakes AGL Vice Province, presided at the Mass, attended by young people, relatives, school teachers and representatives of the local government. Lovers of Jesus Christ, devoted to young people. This was the motto with which the provincial chapter of the Salesians of the province of Poland Rocklo PLO began on Monday 5th February. 46 Salesians from all communities arrived at the provincial chapter is a meeting that seeks to answer urgent questions about the identity of every Salesian living in the modern world. Among confreres in the community, said the PLO provincial Father Bartomej Polaski, SDB, and president of the chapter, in his introductory conference on the prophetic gaze of the future of the Salesian congregation. During the meetings in 7 minor commissions, the delegates of the individual religious houses discussed important issues related to Salesian life, and subsequently in a plenary meeting, they summarized and collected the most important conclusions and indications for the development of the charism. The encounter event took place on 9th and 10th February, bringing together over 2,000 students from the Professional Training Centers CFP of the Northern Philippines Province FIN. The event, which made its official return after a 5-year hiatus, focused on the theme, The Dream That Makes You Dream, inspired by the 2024 Strena of the Rector Major. It was a success characterized by various activities that engaged the students and fostered a sense of teamwork and rapport with their teachers. Encounter is designed to demonstrate the skills and talents of CFP students and trainers and promote brotherhood and networking among them. Speakers included Father Juvelan Samia SDB, who shared a speech on the topic, Don Gerardo Martin SDB, FIN Inspector with the Salesian Goodnight, and Father Jos Dindo Vituk SDB, Executive Director of Don Bosco 1 TVET Philippines INC, with the concluding speech. The meeting of the provincial delegates for youth ministry of the 2 European regions, Mediterranean and Central Northern Europe, took place in Madrid from 5th to 9th of February, convened by Father Miguel Angel Garcia Merquende, General Councillor for Youth Ministry. During the meeting, numerous topics for reflection were offered. Firstly, the presentation and study of the renewed text on the Oratory Youth Center of the Framework of Reference for Youth Ministry, published in various languages. The delegates shared the novelty and relevance of the reflection for their respective provinces. It was recalled that the oratory gives a particular charismatic color to the Salesian house and that it is organically integrated into the pastoral care of each house. We discuss the economic sustainability of the sector and the various operating models in Europe. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.